Hi guys! So, nandito na naman ako para magbablog. Nandito kasi yung asawa ko. Pareha kami walang trabaho ngayon dahil off ko. Din siya, every Sunday wala siyang trabaho. So, ngayon guys, magpa-fast talk kami ng asawa ko. Gumawa ko ng questions dito at itatanong ko sa kanya kung totoo ba yung sinasabi niya. Trending kasi to guys sa YouTube. Napanood ko to kanina na nagfa-fast talk sila ng FCY channel at saka Bin FPB. Hello! Ano ako niyo guys? Laging nanonood ng vlog niyo. So ngayon guys, nandito yung asawa ko. Honey, I have a questions for you. So you need to make answer this, okay?
Okay, baby.
Okay. Question number 1. I think only 3 or 4 questions.
Oh.
Do you love me?
Yes, of course.
Hmm?
Why me? No, baby.
Okay, question number 2. Sex or chocolates?
Depends. Half time I like chocolate, half time I like sex.
So, question number 3. Question number 3, honey. If I am a food, what should I am?
Shrimp.
What qualities do you want me?
You are good.
Yeah,
Good for me.
Good only for you.
Yes. Very good.
Okay, last question. Where we first meet?
When we first meet
Yeah.
in the mall.
Tanda-tanda pa niyo guys.
Ang tawag. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, last questions. How many years you and me together?
8 years.
Wow, thank you.